Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to sort YouTube videos with oldest first. So what you want to do is open up YouTube first, and we want to go to literally any first channel we see. So let's say I want to go to Silent Reacts. Then I would want to click on videos. Then you have three options: latest, popular and oldest. If you click on oldest, this is the first video they have ever posted on YouTube. It's the Simon Guess the Fake Rapper. And that's their oldest and first video. And that's pretty much it. If this helped you out, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know in the comments down below.